Why is this wig taking me so long? Actually, I know why. It's just like, damn, I didn't know it was gonna take this fucking long. And I'm like super exhausted. But like, I feel like I'm really doing a good job for my first time. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can tell, I'm super excited to have you guys here. And I'm also super excited to be making this wig. In this video, you will be seeing me attempt to make my first wig. As you can see right now on your screen, I already took the liberty and pinned my closure to my wig cap. And I am starting to sew and get this show on the road. This was very difficult for me as I never ever saw anything this tedious before in my life. Mostly I just saw like a little rip in my pants and I called it a motherfucking day. But I'm super glad you guys are here. Throughout this video you will hear my voice about me talking about this wig and so on and so forth. So stay put and stay tight and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So hey guys, I'm back looking super focused as ever. I actually got tired of standing, so I sat my lazy ass down. As you can see, I'm still working on the closure for the front part. I actually wasn't sewing correctly, so I had to go over it and do it again. But the other side was completely done and pinned down correctly. Now I'm just, taking it slowly, making sure I do not tangle the thread and end up with a knot and then have to cut it off and start all over again, which was happening so much to me that I was getting so fucking frustrated. I didn't want to feel this shit no more. But nonetheless, as you can see, I was getting it and I was starting to get the process of threading and sewing because you guys, I don't ever fucking sew. Like the most thing I'll ever sew is like a hole in my pants, and I will literally call it a fucking day. But nonetheless, I prevail, and you will see. Look at me, hype as fuck. I was so proud of myself for pinning that side down. As you can see, I'm working on the next side to do the same exact thing. When I tell y'all this little section of the closer took me all day, I am not making this shit up. Like, I was so annoyed. And as you can tell right in that part, my thread got tangled up and I had to re-thread it and put it back through the hole again. Y'all, when I tell you I was furious, I was furious. Y'all notice I don't even have my glasses on. I took my hair out the scrunchie and I put it in a clip because your girl was just too through. And then literally, I think it was like my third or fourth hour in on this wig. But for some reason, the closure was just not even trying to like stay. And you want to know why? Because the closure was too far up and I didn't realize that towards the end and I had to go back in and do it all over.
Are you watching the supermarket there?
Oh no.
Yeah. What?
Alright.
You're doing big spaces though, why?
How am I doing big faces?
Okay.
Can't even tell it's a big thing.
You didn't do something yet.
I didn't get to it yet.
Let me see.
Teamwork that works. So you can find ways to stay close.
We hired the hotel so you can save a lot.
What?
Okay.
And if you look within 2 days of
Trying
your
to keep the
trip,
line
you save
straight,
a
man.
lot.
This. It's small. You can barely see the thread.
Okay.
This is a lot of work.
I'm telling you. And when you get to wait, you get to the hair. You got the rows and rows and rows and rows and rows.
Rows of what?
Of hair. How does your curtain still look at this time?
Why is it what?
You look
Open?
to see in there.
It's dark. Nobody can see.
You must be crazy if you think nobody can see in there. You got all these lights on too?
I mean, it's not like I'm naked.
Big day.
Let's get it. Part 2 of doing this damn wig. Okay, and I am stressed about that. Finally, I made it today, motherfucking 2, into the back of the wig, y'all. Let's motherfucking get it. So far, ladies, so far. This is about 3 tracks. All of his head. But yeah. That's it. Okay, guys, today is day 2 or day 3, and I'm officially about to start like the center of my wig. I'm about to finish it. And well, not finish it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like finish it today, but I feel like I should. So let's do the damn thing. Guys, so this is the wig. This is where I got it so far. This is about like 3 to 4 tracks. I think 4 because I just added one. So yeah, I had to go back in because the band was like showing right here. So I had to get another track and put it in the middle. But that's how she looks from the back. So yeah, the friend's a little cray. But yeah, my lace is overlooked. But yeah, I can fix that. Don't even worry about that. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. And then in the middle, that's how much I have left to go. And yeah, so I can't wait to see. Hopefully it comes out right. Definitely gotta pin that side a little more. Hopefully it comes out right. And all goes well. Hey guys, just an update of the wig. I didn't want to keep like recording and wasting super space on my phone or whatever to show you guys the wig. But I am almost at the top. I have about 6 tracks, or I lost count, already on the wig. It's starting to look full. My sewing is getting a little better, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks. But I'm gonna do this periodically. Keep in mind, this is my first time making a wig, so I am not about to sit here and explain to you guys what I do, how I'm doing it, what I did, or yada yada yada. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos like you guys. I followed the shape to the head, which is my same head size. I bought everything that they said that you need when making a wig. I just want to say, for me, the wig stand is kind of pointless. Like, the shit keeps moving and it's not really stable. But when I take the wig head off and I put it on my lap and get the sewing, it works perfectly. So I would suggest, don't get the wig stand. It's kind of like a waste of money. Kind of might just return it back to Amazon. But other than that, it's going good so far. I stabbed myself like 1,000 times with the needles and it hurts. But okay, enough talking. I don't really have that much time. I have class in less than 35 minutes. So I'm just gonna try to get this track going and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking right. Guys, so this is where I'm at with the wig. We already got to the top. See what I'm saying? Like, the wig stand is pointless already because it's wobbling. Like, this is so annoying. But anyways, this is where I'm at with it. Yep, I already got my closure in. We're like, this is 30 and 32 inches that you're seeing. Ugh, this fucking wicked. My lace front, terrible lace front, is just in the front waiting to be handled correctly with care. But yeah, so far my sewing is good. I want to show you guys. Like, yeah, I like, for somebody who doesn't normally sew, I think this is a hella good job. It's in between the wig stand, not that much, but much. And see, just a little space. You leave some space in between, just a finger. So if your finger can fit in between, that's good. My finger can fit perfectly in between that. So you just space it out and whatnot. But yeah, this is it. So I'm on to the second track. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm watching a scary movie. But yeah, so that's that. And okay, let me get to the second track. I'm almost to the top, and I'll be back. So hey guys, it's officially day 2/day 3. It's 2:23 in the morning. I kind of did good timing, but I am literally halfway through with my wig. I'm super excited with how it's coming out and how it looks, and yeah, so I'm still in the process of getting to the middle of the head, which is like super big or whatever, but it should go by quick or whatever, because right now I'm just doing like the size or whatever the case may be, but like, for some reason my thumb is like not this one, but the other one is like sore and it doesn't want to thread anymore. It doesn't want to sew. It doesn't want to do shit. And I just want to get this over and done with, but at the same time, I don't want to, how do you say it? Rush it and make it come out to look crazy or whatever the case may be. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like. I remember yesterday it was like all the way like maybe like down there. Well, this is today. Today is currently what, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. So this is where I'm at. And this is how far I've got with the wig. It's literally almost done. I have about 3 tracks to put. I think maybe those are two. Yeah, 2 tracks to put up here in the middle. This is the middle. That's what's left. Kind of a lot, but not that much. Once you get the space in and put in. But yeah, man, this is it. This is the feather pieces. I still have pieces that go right here, so that's cool. But as you can see, it's super full, super thick, and it's really starting to come out nice. I was a little worried. I'm still a little worried. I don't know why I've always doubt myself and my skills, but I'm just a perfectionist at heart that always want my shit to come out right. And I really do hope it comes out right. I really feel like it is coming out right. But baby, for a first time person making a wig, not so bad. And I also want to say my mom helped me out tremendously, especially when it came to like sewing. We took turns because my thumbs, like I keep saying, they're like really like done for. And they just don't want to sew anymore. So we took turns, and she would measure and put a track. I would measure and put a track. But this is definitely teamwork. So hey guys, the wig is finally finished. It was finished actually yesterday. My mom did the closure part for me. She finished that up, but the wig is finished, and I'm about to show you guys how it looks. I'm super excited. I can't believe we did the damn thing or whatever. Like I'm just shocked, and it looks pretty good. I mean, can't wait to style it and fix it up and see how it looks. Cause right now it looks crazy, but yeah, let me show you guys my wig. Here's the wig, guys. It's finished. And yep, it's all done. It's poofy because I washed it, but it's very silky. I didn't really have to put anything in it. But this is the finished product. It is super super nice. I gotta fix that part, but that's the wig. And now I'm just about to style it and whatnot, and I'll show you guys how it look after. And guys, I did. This is the final look. I've silk pressed it and all of that good shit. I actually might trim it, so or give it like layers in the front to my liking. It fits my head. I'm not putting this shit on. I just got my hair done yesterday, so I'll probably put it on for Halloween. So don't ask me why it's not on my head. But yeah, this is it. I did it. It's finished. And voila. Let me know if you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next time you see me with this wig on, it will be styled, and I promise my face will be beat. I am too exhausted to sit here, beat my face, put this wig on, and I literally got my hair done. So when my hair starts looking raggedy, or maybe like Halloween week, which is next week, I will do a little Halloween look. Come on here with you guys, show you how my wig is sitting and all that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it. It took me 3 long days and countless hours and the help of me, Madre. So give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.